Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. So if this is your first time here, we would so love to have you. All you would have to do is click that subscribe button and turn on your bell ringer so every time we upload, you will be notified. Now, our mission over here is to inspire our audience with unique and signature designs to create unforgettable memories. So let's get started in today's video. Okay, so today what we are doing, this is a beautiful organizer, but I just wanted to touch it up just a little bit and personalize it for myself. And I did get it from Burlington Factory for $14.99. Now, I know you guys have just seen this everywhere, but I just want to do something different and unique with it just to make it my own. So I want to let you guys know you don't have to use it for what I am designing it for. You can use it for whatever you desire. This is just to inspire you. Now, I will be placing my letters up here in this area. Remember, if you don't have a Cricut or Silhouette machine, you guys can always pick up the alphabetical stickers at Walmart for only 97 cents. So I already have my design cut out, and I am seeing where I'm going to place coffee and creamers. So I have creamers right here in my hand, so I'm just measuring it, trying to see where I'm going to place it. Now, this is a pretty large font, and I will have the font listed below of which one I'm using. This is so optional if you want to step it up. And remember, I told you guys you can get these brooches from Walmart for a very reasonable cost, but it's not required for you to do it. So let's go ahead and do our creamer. So you guys look, of course, I lost my S. Remember, I told you it's always something, but we're going to keep moving along. Okay, designers, this is a very cute idea. Now, you can place coffee in here if you're using the instant coffee packages and you want to use a brooch on there. That would be so absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead and finish off in this project. That was just an idea I wanted to share with you. So now I'm just cleaning it off with my rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going to allow it to air dry. Now, whatever letters you're using, just make sure that it is straight across. So let's go ahead and move on to this part. You guys have seen me use these designs in a previous video. Right there, you can click that iCard. Some of these are small, some of these are too large. And the ones that you see in my background, those are just two that are the smallest ones on there. But for the large ones, I'm going to cut it out to my desire. Like this one here, it was already on there. So I just placed it over there where my aura is. Now, the other ones that I want to use are way too large, so I'm going to have to cut it to my desire. So this is just an example. I want to cut this little piece off because I want to add a bit more to the letter E. So this is how much I cut off right here. And now I am holding it down with my nail right there at the very tip. And I'm going to go around to make sure that it's smooth, just like that. And it's so simple. So now we got that part right there done, and I'm going to add some more in this area, but you guys pretty much have an idea. Now, this is what I was talking about in the beginning of the video, if you add a large brooch on the side. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a different brooch, and I'm going to add on some gem stickers. So these are the self-adhesive gems I was talking about. I got both of these from Walmart for like 97 cents. And so these are the teardrops, but I went ahead and did the round ones because I feel like those will look better. But you guys tell me down below which one you will like. And here's another close-up shot of it. So I'm going to go ahead and place the round ones on there. I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like up close. And now I'm going to place one right here on my E like you've seen before. So this is the brooch I'm going with. I really like that. It's not over the top, and then also it will not cover up my C. So that is very important to me. And I'm going to place this pearl brooch on top of it because you guys know I am a pearl lover. So now everything is centered just the way I would like it to be, and it opened and closed so well. Now I'm going to put in my creamers. You guys know I absolutely love hazelnut creamer and also the caramel. So that's what you're going to see. But you can use this for whatever you want to use it for. It don't have to be just for coffee and creamers. You guys let me know down below, what will you use it for? Now I just want to make sure that it closes down well, and it does. This is beautiful. I really had fun doing this project. It really steps up our coffee station. I thank you all for designing with me, Latisha McKinney. You guys have a blessed and beautiful weekend. Merry Christmas. And thank you to everyone who understood the reason why I was unable to post for the last 2 days. I will see you guys tomorrow, and bye.